In this video, I will teach you how you can write variable declaration and initialization, mean giving value to variable. I will show you all these things in this video. Before we have studied that how you can write how you can write something in console, and that was your first program, and we have successfully uploaded the video on YouTube or MB Creative channel. If you are new, please subscribe and press the bell icon. And now we are going to discuss about variable, how you can write variable, how you can declare that, and giving name to variable, etc. These some term mostly used in programming. So if you are still, once again, if you are from C or C++ language, will teach you in easy way that you would be having just at least just when you practice once on that, so you will be having no problem. If you are still confused, so and beginner, so doesn't matter, will teach you on easy way. So let's if we talk about like C and C++, here we were writing int, and we were writing some string, and we were writing some other thing. But in this language, in JavaScript, we have to not write these things. We need to just write simple where variable, and you can write any. This is assignment operator, assign value to your variable name, and we will write like here I will write just MB and then creative, and programmer will not write just programming, programmer just fine. Okay, so after that you can write semicolon, and if you are not writing semicolon, so that will be not having any problem to you, but that is a good practice to use semicolon at the end. Now we will do one thing, we will just run the program, right? But here you cannot see anything in the console, because I told you if you want to print something in terminal, you need to write that thing in console. If you write that thing in console, that would be printed out on the terminal, otherwise that would be not printed in the terminal. So just write as we have written in a previous video, console and console.log. After log you will write my name. So autocomplete option is also available. If you just click that or you press enter, you can do that with both the option without debug. Now you can see MB creative, and MB creative you can see that. So this is all about your variable. You can write number 2 without having any problem to you people that just will write 9090, and again without debugging, and that is printed out here. Now if you want to if you want to just do some mathematical operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, for that you need to write we will just remove this because this is not looking good, and num1, and we will write second variable with num2 fine, with num2 will write the same. So okay, after that we will just define that in one more variable, and we will give it name sum, and when we write num first plus num first we'll remove, and we'll just put second. Okay, here what we have to write, here we have to write just sum, and when we write sum here and go to run and run without debug, you can see, look at this, you can see the output in the terminal. You can apply some, we would say that multiplication with just steric option, and again if we write down, you can see your result here. Just come on, come on, why it is, yes, that is your result. Okay, so you can apply some other kind of operation on that variable. So there was a way how you can write a variable. But one thing more, if you are writing something, we will say that if you are writing something as a string, if you're writing something as a string, so we will put just quotation, no, semicolon, and within after semicolon that would be not like this. Just we'll do what I'm going to clear just one concept to you people, that some concatenation concept, right? So when we just click that down, and you can see that is when we plus something with plus symbol, so that is your concatenation. Mean there would be not your sum of addition of your numbers, there will be just concatenation. As we can write our first name and last name, and we can write many things, but just I'm going to tell you the concept of concatenation. When you are having plus among two string numbers, so that would be considered your concatenation. So there was all about, guys, variable and how you can declare that. Even this is called, this num1 is called declaration of variable. This is assignment operator, and this is initialization, mean giving value to your variable. So this is your variable, mean you will write variable with that. This is variable name. A variable name is just giving name to variable. It occupies space in memory, and when you write something on you want to print that variable in terminal, you will write console, because console is used to print whatever you are going to print in a terminal, so that would be printed out in the terminal. So there was all about, guys, variable in today's lecture. In next video we will try to cover some more topic too. But if you are still new in this channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.